This morning, we're going to look at the senses. And when we talk about senses, we're talking about organoleptic assessment. Now, taste perception is very limited, and only there are four main basic tastes. Bitter, sweet, saline, and acid are remarkably noticeable. And although the number of taste sensations is extremely large, they stem from these four. And this means they need to be assisted by the sense of smell to be fully effective. And dishes we sell in hospitality, in the food industry, are sold by smell rather than sound. Now, the sense of smell is greatly underestimated because much of what we taste comes through the smell. The taste buds are distributed around the tongue, the top being capable of sensing all the tastes, but mainly the sweet ones. Bitter tastes are felt at the back, and the sour and salty ones by the center and edge of the tongue. As I said before, very important as hospitality experts, as culinary experts, we have to know about taste, the effect of presentation, hearing, smell, taste, and touch. And this is very physiological. So the senses depend upon the physiological system, which affects the body as a whole, as it maintains a correct balance of nutrients, which will culminate in a state of well-being. Sight, very important. Presentation. It is very important in gastronomy as it gives the first reaction to food as it is presented and initiates other senses to a particular reaction. Also, color is important in this reaction. The color of foods and meals have an effect on appetite by creating an emotional response for either acceptance or rejection.